Hello everyone, this is Mr. Prem Kumar, working as English teacher in government school. Now at this time, I take this opportunity, I take this pleasure to speak a few words how to develop the language skill, that is English. Many of the students, they want to speak English, but they don't know how to speak English. And moreover, they don't try to speak in English, but they want to speak in English. But now, my dear friends, I would like to give some important points how to develop language skill. This language skill is very, very important in our life. Without language and without English, you cannot get success in your life. You cannot come up in your life. You cannot get any kind of achievement in your life. You won't get a bright future in your life because English has become that much importance nowadays. In this global world, English has a very much importance. So you should know how the importance is. There is one important quotation which is a very important quotation. Yoga for health, English for wealth. I repeat, yoga for health, English for wealth, which is very important. You know, yoga is for health. But as far as you know yoga for health, there is one more important point. Yoga for health, English for wealth. If you want to earn, if you want to go to other states for jobs or for interviews or whatever it may be, if you want to develop in all the ways of in your life, you should have a very good communicative English. So in order to get such kind of achievement in your life, in order to get such kind of success in your life, so let us know some important points how to develop English language. So first of all, I would like to give very important point how to develop English. In order to develop English language, first of all, you should have a strong desire. What is that strong desire? Yes, I should learn English. I should speak English. Whatever the circumstances may be, whatever the situations may be, I should speak English. Such kind of a strong desire should be in your mind. And that strong desire will definitely leads you to speak English. The second foremost point is you should have a continuous practice. There is one important quotation again. Practice makes a man perfect. Unless and until if you don't practice, you cannot speak in English. Your strong desire and your practice will make you perfect in this language. So my dear friends, have a strong desire to learn English and make sure that you are practicing this language skill. This is a strong desire and this practice will make you a perfect in speaking English. So my dear friends, come let us know the other foremost important points how to develop speaking or how to develop this spoken language, that is English, or how to speak English. So when you want to speak in English, first of all, you should have a reading skill. What is this reading skill? Always you should have such kind of habit of reading. When you have this kind of reading habit, then this reading habit will develop you to speak in English. What kind of reading? Always try to read newspapers. When you start reading newspapers, try to read from top to bottom. Whether you are able to understand or whether you are making any grammar mistakes or whether you are making any spelling mistakes, no bother. Just go on reading, that's all. Don't come back again. Because I have read a wrong sentence, I have read a wrong spelling, no bother at all. First of all, take the newspaper, start reading from top to bottom. That reading skill will develop you to how to speak in English. So, have a strong desire in reading, have a strong practice in reading. Read newspapers, read storybooks, read comics, read novels. Go on reading in English, go on reading in English. Whether you are able to understand or not, just go on reading. So this reading habit will make you perfect in speaking English. So my dear friends, have a strong desire or have a strong practice or continuous practice in reading. So reading habit will makes you to speak in English. The second again important point is writing skill. Whatever you read, whatever you have read, or whatever the things that you have read in newspapers, whatever the matter that you have read in storybooks, whatever the information you have read in other kinds of books, so make sure that you are keep in writing. Whatever you have read or whatever you know, just keep it on in writing. When you read such kind of things, or when you got that information while reading, when you keep it in this writing, so this writing habit also makes you perfect in English. So my dear friends, when you read any information, when you read any matter, or when you read newspapers, make sure that you are writing the same thing in one of the paper or in one notebook. So when you are writing and when you are reading, these two, reading and writing, will always makes you perfect in English. So when you have this reading skill, when you have this writing skill, the third foremost point is listening skill. Always many of the students, they don't like to listen. They don't like to listen at all. When others speak, they don't want to try to listen, because they always start writing, they always start reading, but they don't like listening. So my dear friends, listen whatever they speak. For example, what kind of things that we have listened, what kind of information and what kind of sources when we listen, and from where we get this listening habit. There is one important source, that is news reading. So first of all, you select some reading news channels. So when you select these news channels, and the next foremost point is you himself or herself, you select a very nice news reader. You have selected a news channel, and next you have selected a news reader. You go through that news channel and you have selected a news reader. You just read, you just listen the news from which you have selected from the news reader. When you have listened to that news, definitely the listening skill will develop you to speak English fluently, perfectly and nicely. So my dear friends, the first point is reading skill, second point is writing skill, and third point is listening skill. And one more is, whatever the others speaks, just listen and observe. So when you observe when the others speaks, that observation and that listening skill will also develop you in speaking skill. So always try, make a habit that I should listen the news or the any information or any matter from anywhere, that I should listen in English. This listening skill will make you to develop or to improve your language skill far better than this. The first one, reading skill, the second one, writing skill, third one, listening skill, and the fourth one is speaking skill. Always try to speak in English. Whatever the words that you have to express, whatever the information you have to express, whatever the ideas you have to express to others, try to express in English only. Whether it is right, whether it is wrong, whether others are listening or not, whatever it may be, first of all, you express it in English only. When you express in English, the words will automatically flow from your mouth, and the words will automatically comes from both of your lips, because you have a strong desire, because you have a continuous practice. This strong desire and continuous practice will makes you flow the words from your mouth only in English. So my dear friends, always try to speak in English. While you are speaking in English, grammar is not important. While you are speaking in English, vocabulary is not important. While you are speaking in English, the foremost point is The language which you are speaking should be easily audible and also understandable to others. That's enough. When your language is audible, when your language easily understandable to others, then you are perfect in English. While speaking, grammar is not important. While speaking, vocabulary is not important. So please keep this in your mind. Always try to speak in English. Always try to express in English. Others, don't bother about others. Let them go into hell. You should have a strong desire that I should speak in English. You should have a practice that I should speak in English. So always try to speak in English. Try to express whatever information you have. You just try to proclaim only in English. Propagate only in English, and make a habit that I should speak in English always, and I should have that kind of strong desire. And the last and the foremost point is always think in English. Whatever you want to express, whatever you want to speak, whatever the information you want to give to others, first you think not in your mother tongue, but you think in English. That thinking habit will lead you to speak in English. So my dear friends, this is very, very important point. Thinking in English. When you think the words to be expressed in English, that thinking develops to speak in English. So always try to speak in English. When you want to speak in English, the foremost point is you should always think in English. So when you think in English, you can easily express your views, express your thoughts, express your ideas, because you have already thought about English in your mind. So with all these 5 points, if all these 5 points will be in your mind, then you can easily communicate in English. So my dear friends, I take this very good pleasure to speak a few words how to improve English. The first point is reading skill, the second point is writing skill, and the third point is listening skill, fourth point is speaking skill, and the fifth point is always think in English. These 5 points, if you can keep in your mind, these 5 points will get you success in your life. These 5 points will make you achieve anything in your life. And with these 5 points, you can communicate and you can speak a very good English, a very good audible English, and a very good fluent English in your life. So my dear friends, with all these 5 points, keeping in view, keeping in mind, I would like to conclude. So I will give you one important point is always try to speak in English. In order to try to speak English, have a strong desire and have a continuous practice. The strong desire and continuous practice will make you perfect in English. So last, one more very, very important point is, in order to speak in English with others, there is one important app. You go to a Play Store and you download Speak English app. Once again I will repeat, from the Play Store, you just download Speak English app. With this app, you can communicate with others only in English. There will be other person and you will be there. You both can communicate in English so that you can get many more words and you can communicate easily with others. So you can have a very good practice with this app. So once again I will repeat, go to Play Store and Speak English app. If you download, you can get very good information. You can get a communicative language with others. So my dear friends, with this I conclude these few points. So make sure that you can develop in English, and you should have a strong desire that I too can speak English. I can speak English. When you can speak English is, you should have a strong desire and you should have a continuous practice. This strong desire and continuous practice will make you perfect in English. So these are the few points we can develop English and you can develop a communicative language. Thank you very much.